Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of handy top tips and tricks to make cake decorating a little bit easier. So this week on 2 Minute Tuesday, we are going to be making a dusting bag, which is great for using when you're dusting moulds with a little bit of cornflour, that sort of thing. So what we need is a new dishcloth, some cornflour, elastic band, scissors and a spoon. So let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. Okay, so what we need is this cut in half first. And you're only using 1/2. And pop your cornflour. And then simply bring it all together and you hold it in one hand and then get your elastic band and then one last one and then pull on the sides so nice and neat. Okay, and there you go, there you go. You got nice dusting. So as you can see, it's like, it's a really handy thing to have in the kitchen. Obviously it's like it's an old-fashioned dishcloth because they've got like, the wider netting on the actual material, which allows for the cornflour to actually come through and dust. Hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Please join us again next week when we'll have another top tip or trick to show you. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, see you later. Bye bye.